Jubilin Rumble here, and today's video we're gonna explore here at LV2 shopping mall. So we'll go this way, guys. This way, this way. So enjoy watching. Guys, it's just walking distance from Hillview MRT. Gonna exit on exit 2 and go all the way up here. This thing you can see. And they're in this beach. In these buildings here, this is our residential on top. Wow. So let's go up that side. Gonna check what's up there. So let's go, guys. So we'll go up this way. Is a community shopping mall. We are now in this level. Wow, there's a water fountain around this area. See here, New Nanyang. Tandoori culture. And there's a water fountain around this area. Dental studio. So all this shops here, so we're gonna check it out what's in here. This is called Fresh Cold Storage. There's a cold storage here. Cold storage around this area, so check some more. This Busy Bees Learning Center. So dito sa baba, sa level 1 na tayo, guys. So sorry ako. Like this. And there's a Citadel Bakery Kitchen. Wow, pagkaon. So we'll go this way and check it out what is all in here. Ikutin natin, guys. So Bistro, Health, Beauty, Garment Dining. This is all you can see here. Supermarket, Health and Beauty, Garment Dining, Supermarket. So we'll go this way. So dito ang mga kainan. baijiu and grilled fish. See, grilled fish here. Chuga. There's a Burger King around this area. Ikutin natin na lang makikita natin ito. And that side is going to the MRT, that side. There's a Burger King. Wow. Wow, Papa's the Burger King here. And there's a Starbucks in this area. Starbucks, Guardian, and 7-Eleven. So now we are back in this area here again. Ikutin natin sa kabilang side. Connected lang kasi siya sa mga HDP. Pero hindi ka maka-access So here, I'm down here again, guys. Ikutin natin dito na side. This side is Mr. 7. Mr. 7 Spruce Cafe and Bakery. Dito din. Uy, ang ganda ng mga lights. And around this area here, that's community center. Cafe and Bakery Spruce. The hell yeah. And there's a shuttle bus waiting area in this side. Gonna check it out what's in here. And that's it, guys. And look at this. Wow. Small little slides around here in this open space here. So it's just like that one, guys. The small. This one, as you can see here, and there's a little bit of playground. People can play. Slides. And this area here, so ganito lang siya. And that way is going to the MRT community center. So it seems like this on it. So people can bring their dogs around this area here. Guys, so naikot na natin. It's all the car parks over that side and all. Parang ganyan lang siya, nakadikit pala siya sa that's why you see community shopping mall. There's a cold storage inside there only. So there, cold storage. Oh, CS Price cold storage. So all the way here. So that one. I love this area here. And so for this one. Ayan talaga siya. Mga puno dito. Ito lang at dala-dala sa mga puno. Wow. And look at the roof over here. Ganyan yan siya. Tapos dyan ang mga condominium. Like this lang guys. That's now we walk over there. 7-Eleven, Guardian, Starbucks, Burger King, Chugot, Sidel, Kaiju, and so on. And the top one is already residences like this. You see Helvy too. So cute this one. Cute lang siya sa mga parang HDB or ano siya dito, condo. Tapos nakaano lang siya, mayroon lang siyang CS Fresh Cold Storage, mga important nila ano, tapos kainan sa second level. It is actual level 2, basement 1, and car parks on the level 1 also. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos kanina dadaanan, we pass by all those things, right? All those like 7-Eleven over this side, Burger King. Parang nasa labasan lang siya. Wala talaga siya ano. Pagpapasok ko na doon, dito tayo. Ito maganda dito. Ito yung roof niya dito na side. Tingnan mo guys. Ganda siya, diba? So parang it's a community shopping mall. So yun, akyat tayo dahil. So dito tayo. Pakita natin ang roof niya dito. Ganyan lang. Okay, dito pa. So ganun lang guys. So ganun lang guys. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. For more of my videos, please subscribe or click the notification bell button so that you'll be notified on my next video or vlog. Thank you. See you once again.